subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon. Out of some of the smart home products that Xiaomi had launched yesterday in India, this is one of the most interesting ones. This is the Xiaomi's 360-degree Mi Home Security Camera. And this comes with that 1080p Full HD recording and also the 360-degree vision. And let's do a quick hands-on with this one. Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the hands-on with the Mi Home Security Camera 360 degrees that is launched at Rs 2700 in India. The main features of this camera includes the Full HD video recording, 360 degree all-round vision where you get about 360 degree of horizontal vision, 91 degrees of vertical vision, and there's the infrared night vision as well, which works with the AI powered motion detection. So whenever there's a motion detected, your smartphone would get a notification that there was some motion there, and the video as always gets stored there, and there are separate clips that are stored whenever there's a separate motion that is detected in that room. There's also the Talkback feature with the two-way audio with the speaker that is located towards the back of the camera and a microphone that is located just below the camera sensor itself. At one time in your home, if you are having multiple cameras, you can actually run all of them together, but you can watch 3 cameras live together from the Mi Home camera application itself, and once you preview into one of those, you can turn the camera at any angle that's 360 degrees horizontally and about 91 degrees vertically. And there's also the zooming feature for zooming up to 2x, and for the playback you can fasten the playback by up to 16x if you want to quickly watch one of the clips to see if there's any motion detected or if you wanted to see something specific out of it. The camera as usual looks like any other Xiaomi's device, a very good looking one. It doesn't actually look like those basic ones from CP Plus or any other competitive brand. This is something that has quite a good design as well, and it can be placed either regularly or even inverted if you are trying to hang it out from the ceiling. And since it has the microphone, that is one good advantage, that all the audio is also recorded alongside the video. Apart from that, the two-way audio also helps when you're far from that particular room and you want to talk to the person that entered the room. You can actually do that by turning on the two-way audio feature given in the camera. And here's a preview of the person entering the room and getting a notification, and then that night vision is actually black and white. But still it has all the details retained of whatever is getting captured. So that is something good from the Mi Home Security Camera, that's 360 degree camera. And the entire interface is quite easy to use, and you have quite a lot of features given inside the application itself. And there is an auto mode for the video recording. If you feel that you can say you don't want to have the HD recording always to be done because of the storage issues, you can also switch to auto, and it decides based on the footage it has whether it should be recorded in low quality or in the HD quality. And the other feature of the Mi Home Security Camera is that it has the micro SD card slot just below the sensor where you can store up to 64 GB of footage, and you can always transfer that to your smartphone whenever you want and keep expanding the storage. And there's also support for the network attached storage, that NAS, so that network devices or routers with the devices. So there's quite a lot that is offered for this particular price. It was a quick hands-on with the Mi Home Security Camera 360 degree that is priced at Rs 2699. Like this video, if you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.